Hello, everyone. Welcome to this English listening practice video. If you understand this text, your English level is A2. I want to talk about pets. If you're watching this video, you're probably learning English. I hope this topic is interesting for you. Many people around the world have pets. A pet is an animal that lives with people in their home. Pets are part of the family. They give us love, fun, and friendship. The most common pets are dogs and cats. Dogs are friendly. They like to play and go for walks. They love running outside. Cats are quiet and calm. They enjoy sleeping, sitting by windows, and being close to people. Other popular pets are birds, rabbits, fish, and hamsters. Some people even have turtles or snakes. Every pet is different. Some pets are very active. Some are quiet. But all pets need care. Having a pet is a big responsibility. Pets need food, clean water, and a safe place to live. They also need your time, love, and attention. You should clean their space, play with them, and take care of their health. Pets make people happy. When you're tired or sad, they stay with you. They don't judge you. They just give love and comfort. Many people say that pets are like best friends. Pets are also good for children. They help children learn to be kind and gentle. Kids learn how to care for others. I have a pet too. I have a small dog. He is brown and white. He likes to play with a ball and go for walks. When I come home, he is very happy to see me. He makes me smile every day. Not everyone can have a pet. Some people live in small homes or don't have enough time or money. That's okay. You can still enjoy animals. You can visit a park, help at an animal shelter, or watch videos of animals. Pets are more than just animals. They are friends, helpers, and part of our lives. If you have a pet, take good care of it. And if you don't have one now, maybe one day you will. Thank you for listening. Leave a comment, and I will see you in the next video.